We divide 248 by 2 in long division method. So 2 times 1 means 2. On subtracting we get 0. So now we put down the number beside this 4 and we remove this 0. So 2 times 2 means 4. On subtracting we get 0. So now again we put down the number beside this 8 and we remove this 0. So 2 times 4 means 8. On subtracting we get 0. So 248 divided by 2 is 124. So this much for today and thanks for watching.